guys, and welcome back to Sydney's Recordation World. Now today I built something, that's why I have this stuff. But I'm gonna remove them. Oh, one else. When I check my videos, the sound was so annoying, so I'm just gonna put like that. Then let's go. If you see, tada! I built a road going here. Then if you climb this tree, and go like this, there, then drop there, go sidewalk, you will see this. Minecraft transportation. This has a minecart on it and other stuff. So now let's go. It's kinda slow, but if you go, it's fast. So when we go down here, then you see train station like that. Because when I spawn here. Then when I walk like to this, you can watch the episode 1. But in episode 1, it isn't this. When I was off camera, I go to my single player world and I play this. Then I spawn right here. So I put planks up there. Then there. Let's climb up. Sorry the back of the background sounds. Still partying. Now let's go. That could be secret. Now let's just go here. La, 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 la. Did anyone enjoy must read this? The first home, for the one who first joined, will get 10 stacks of diamond blocks. I put signs too when I'm on off camera. Then here, President's home. Multicraft the recorder, because I'm always, recording. Hey, don't ask how old am I. So if you go here, you're gonna see many signs. I just put signs, but there's nothing in it, so I put them. Trash appear means trash appear. Destrotic lava. Trash can. Trash destroyer nature, like I'm finishing. But if you go here, you must, then you'll see furnace and large chest. I gotta tell you something. Don't look at the furnace. Okay? Just look at this. If you look at the furnace, there will be a trap and the lava will go there, right there. It will break the side and you will fall off. Got it? And the second rule of this The first rule of my world is don't change into skin. Got it? The second rule is ask permission to break or build blocks. If you don't, I'm gonna kill you. So let's just go to that train change.
Ibinigay kina Bailey at Ilona ang secret degree task. Matutunan ang limandaang salitang Tagalog.
So we got 5 minutes more to play. Sorry about the voice again. Oh, that's getting that. Why did I even get it? Oh my gosh, it's so slow. Wait, before the night rises. Come on, Sudu. Let's just jump. Let's teleport home, quick. Phew, how did they get here? I was already there. Now, at least I'm home. Let's look at our home. My beautiful babies. It's only episode 5 and look at this. We get a lot of stuff to do. Yeah. The first girl who live with me will be living with my here. Because I don't have any friends. I wish I have a girlfriend. Just kidding. I wish I have a girlfriend. Not me. And I will show her everything. Except this leader. If you pull that, it's self-destruct button. Don't pull it. If you push that, then every off-cam, when I build something, I put a redstone underneath, then put it on what I'll build. Then if you pull that trigger, it will explode. So I'm just gonna put a sign called "Do not pull the leader." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're gonna put like that, then put sign, put trash, everything. Then we're gonna put a sign. Don't believer. It's we got 1 minute more. So I'd say self-destruct. What? It's night? I didn't even think about that. I thought I was sleeping. Oh well, back to night. So guys, thank you in this episode. You helped me so much, even no one is subscribing. Bye bye.